guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're just going to be playing Gorilla Tag, in Forest. We're going to be playing Tag, we're going to be playing Paint Brawl, and, just kind of messing around with people. So, yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's go to a Forest, and, yeah. Okay. Let's go. Try to tag people.
Not when you're 8, you want to tag me, huh?
Oh my god, Bone, you're saying how I'm in now. You got tagged so easily.
I got you. I thought, or not.
Damn, Pink, you really gave up that fast. You disrespect me. You disrespect my family. I did not do shit.
Why do you have a lava monkey particles?
Peaceful, bro.
Oh my gosh.
To make you feel better.
Bro.
Huh? Bro, I'm back. Hey, White, where's White? I don't know.
Oh, this man wants to tag me now.
Oh, hey, bro. Oh, shut up. Suck my love nut, nigga. Hey, bro, can you hear me? Bro,
Yo.
Yo, Pink Cat. Go ahead, bro. In fact, I'll show you the name.
Lava monkey.
Yes, that one.
Bye.
With BR8 on. Go ahead.
Oh,
I got recorded by a whole server.
Ah, damn.
That's why I never
And guess who can
do
hear
that.
me? Dumbass. Yeah, I can hear you. Dumbass, nigga.
Bro, shut
What
up,
do
bro. Bro, I'm just gonna mute. I'm just gonna mute him.
Chupa my love nut, nigga. Chupa
Yo.
my love nut, nigga. Oh, you wanna mute me? Look, it's right here.
No,
BR8 on.
There you go.
Ugh.
Hey, bro.
Tell him he's gay.
Bro, let's go back. Let's go back. Bro, let's go back. Oh, yeah, the Dorito Hut.
Yo, what are you guys fighting about?
I have no clue.
Who's gay and who's not?
Oh, okay.
In reality, they're both gay.
I'm gonna.
Bro, that light always messes me up.
What's his name?
Come on, bro. 8 down, 1, 2, 3.
BBC in my dog's butt.
What the? Ow!
Yo, where's my Dorito guy, bro? Where's my Dorito?
Oh god, now my freaking controller's buzzing out weirdly.
Oh. Okay. Bye. Ahorita vengo. Okay, what it won't be one?
Like,
What it won't be one?
I'm Lucio and it messes up me. Can I do this?
Yeah, you want to see what happens to my Lucy?
Okay.
This won't happen. Like, it does that.
Which is
It
kind of weird.
This is what you have to put your hands right?
You
I don't know,
have to
I
put
know
your
it's
hands
weird.
in You have to put like your hands in a weird position and then you also have to put your head in a weird position.
I'm just
I
saying
don't know.
this, bro. I feel this.
That's why I do it super
Can
weird
someone
If you're that way, you're gay.
without being the stupid position.
You already told me you are gay.
Bro.
Hello?
Yo, lava monkey. Lava monkey.
Oh my god. Not already.
I will teach you.
No, bro, get off me.
Get off of you, what?
I'm not your dick, bro.
Bro, what is this little fight? I keep getting stuck. This game is gay.
Maybe you're just bad at the game. I'm just saying, I'm not trying to be
Maybe
mean.
I just got stuck on those freaking little lanterns right there.
Yeah, maybe you did, or maybe you're just bad. I'm not trying to be mean, but like...
Maybe I actually just fell on accident. When you fall, when I fell on accident, that doesn't mean I'm automatically bad.
I mean, if you fall and then you kind of complain that like you were getting stuck and stuff, then like, yeah, kind of.
Psychopath quiz for you. What do you put?
No!
What do you put first?
Come here, monkey. Come here, monkey. No! Monkey.
Put the cereal first.
It's me.
It's me. Me, you teach me.
Okay.
Monkey, I got you, monkey. Yo, we both got him.
This is it. Like, one.
Yeah.
One almost hit the other. That's easy. Got it.
Come on, bro. Dorito Hut. Is it a Dorito, bro? Mad bussin'.
Bro, you actually don't need one.
Doritos. What's up?
Hey, if you guys say the N-word, that's illegal.
Right?
What?
You.
Hey, if any of you say the N-word, that's illegal.
But did you guys school today?
How do I do well?
Yeah.
How is that illegal?
Nah, it's illegal. It's literally just like any other bad word, but just 10 times worse.
someone teach me how to play? I'm done for. How about you learn on your own? Can someone teach me how to play?
How was I the last one?
I don't know how you were the last one.
I learned on my own. Now you go learn on your own, little monkey.
What's your name?
Monkey?
Don't even say I'm racist. We are monkeys.
Man, I'm a chimpanzee.
Joe can't tell you that. What
Oh my
Which fella? We are gorillas. How old are you? Oh yeah, you guys are
Nah, but I'm a chimpanzee. I'm a different type of gorilla.
No, we're basically. You guys are orangutans. Can someone teach me? No, learn by yourself. Monkey.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
learn
God.
by bouncing up and down.
Oh, I...
Just honestly, it's not even hard.
Ah, bitches. Ah, bitches. Goofy ass bitches.
You with the yellow.
Bro.
You could just see my hand moving. You. You can't. Whoa. Hello. That was so mean. Let's chill with us. Damn. And they're coming. Yeah, I thought you were
I'm literally tryharding.
Oh, you're so good, man.
Orange, get over here. I'm sorry. Bro, wait, listen, guys. Okay,
This guy just said he was gonna talk to my mom. That's illegal. You're not allowed to do that.
bye. I was right there, Squeenzo, bro. I don't even know why. Matt, I freaking went on the back. I just want to try to do people.
Oh my God, why does it always do that?
I'm about to tag you. Calling me a monkey? Can I get over this side? No, we're all monkeys. He's racist! He's racist! He's racist! What do you mean? We're monkeys, though! He called me a monkey. We're gorillas!
I'm a chimpanzee.
We're literally monkeys. Look at your hand and freaking...
We're gorillas, not monkeys.
That's racist.
We're gorillas, not monkeys.
Everybody calls
It literally says the name.
He called me a monkey because I'm black.
Wait, are you actually black?
He called me a... Yeah, bro, it's gorilla tag.
Yo, man got banned.
Bro, that's what this is in gorilla tag. We could all be different kinds of monkeys. We could be orangutans. We could be monkeys. We're all...
I identify as Michael Jackson.
I identify as Elvis Presley.
Get your gay, queasy, cheesy, cheesy,
I identify
ugly ass, BZ.
Ash over here.
Bro, you got juked hard.
You guys
I identify as Michael Jackson.
Let's just call you monkey when you
I identify as Elvis. Because my hair color.
You
Bro.
my identity, sir. You are not allowed to take my identity, sir. I am
Bro,
Michael Jackson.
I'm gonna scream the N-word.
Dude, do not scream it. That is illegal. Don't scream it. Actually, hey, scream it and I'll give you $100. No, this guy said he was... You said you were going to scream the N-word.
No, I didn't. That was not me.
How about you? If you want to talk about something.
Me?
That wasn't me.
Who said they were going to scream about the N-word? Someone said they were going to scream about the N-word.
Those things are worthless. $10 million.
Bro, where's White? Bro, White. Hey, yo, the monkeys.
Oh my God, I can't believe I did that actually. Holy cow.
I'm probably gonna get off.
No! My dude.
Yeah!
Sorry.
Oh, I'm scared. Okay, guys, you know what time it is? It is, oh my God. It is time for Paint Brawl. Let's go to Paint Brawl. And my friend said he was going to join me. So let me look up my, right here, let me go to friends. The people, actually. His name is L-I-L. Lil Sheesh. No, that's not. Lil Sheesh. But I meant it like this. Hey, Stranger, look at this neon girl. Alright, let's go into paintball. And that's... Oh.
God. Come on.
Alright, let's go.
See, guys, no, I'm really bad. So.
I'm not hitting. Got him.
Guys, I'm the orange going up here. Guys, can you just go easy on me, bro?
Hey, man.
Let's go.
Bro, my Fortnite skills are coming in handy, bro.
Blue team.
Guys, I'm gonna leave now. All of you are always
Oh,
not going easy on me. It's annoying.
dude, good job, Blue. Blue, good job, good job.
Let's go.
Yes. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I'm orange now.
Guys, I literally can't move, bro. Dude, stop this.
Yeah. Okay.
Every single time. What the nani?
Oh.
Boil the broccoli for 5 minutes.
Come here, Blue. What?
I had to look up because I have no idea what it is.
Where's the orange?
Got him.
Come on, Orange. We gotta win this.
I will
You got
win this.
this, Orange. Come on. Watch out behind you. He's at 1 heart. No, never mind. He's out. Go get him. Orange, come on. We're almost there. He's 1 balloon. Oh, come on.
Wait, where's the last guy?
Got me. Orange got me somehow.
Where's the last kid?
Somehow, dude, I did a direct shot on you.
Come on, Orange. Come on, Orange.
Where's the last guy?
Where's the blue monkey?
Where's the blue monkey? Brown, put the sauce in and the broccoli in and cook for like 4 minutes.
Oh, that kid's getting.
Oh no, come on. Where's...
That's really good. Yeah. And I didn't even have garlic. And I'm
Bro, I know you're mad.
I'm not mad. I'm just trying to win the game.
Nah, you're just
He's
mad.
in treehouse. He's in treehouse. He's in
Does it look
treehouse.
like I'm mad? I'm not even acting mad. I'm just trying to slow you down so that we have a chance.
No, I'm gonna lose. Boys, I got it! Yes! Yes!
Mom, can you aim up, Mom? I dare you to wear this. I'm too scared to wear it.
Get him, boys.
I don't want to wear this. I'm out.
Bro, why am I the only blue?
Got him!
Why am I the only blue?
No, you're not the only blue. I thought I was the only blue.
Dude, I was on the front battle.
Just.
Where were you guys when I needed you? Where was you when I
dying.
needed you?
First shot.
I'm dying. You're dead. Yep. I'm dead. Come on, blue team. Step it up. We lost. We lost. Blue team lost. Come on, blue team. I thought better. We should have done better. Come on.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Okay, guys. Well, that's the end. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you then.